Hello, let's solve some inequalities. So here we have 2x plus 3 is greater than 7, and you'll solve this just like you solve any equation. You're going to get x by itself. So first off, let's get the 2x by itself by subtracting 3 from both sides. And so on the left side we'll have 2x, and then the greater than sign stays the same. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we have 2x is greater than 4. And then to get x by itself, we'll divide both sides by 2. And so the answer is x is greater than 2. And if you want to plot this on a number line, where we have 0, 1, 2, 3, then we have -1, -2, -3, x is greater than 2. So we want all the numbers to the right of 2. And the reason why I put an open circle here is to say that if x is equal to 2, that actually doesn't work. So if x is 2, 2 greater than 2 is false, and so we don't want to include x is equal to 2. Okay, let me give you one more example because there's a special case when you have a negative number. So let's say we did something like -2x is greater than 6, and we'll solve for x. We'll divide both sides by -2, and then so we have x on the left side, -3 on the right side, but then the sign here is actually going to flip. So the answer here is x is less than -3. And so why do we flip the sign? Let me show you an example of why we flip the sign. Let's say we had two numbers, 8 and 6. 8 is greater than 6, so we would write the sign this way. But let's see what happens if we divide both sides by a negative number, say -2. 8 divided by -2 is -4. 6 divided by -2 is -3. And so now which way should the sign go? Well, -4 is less than -3, so we see here that the sign flips. So that's why in this inequality, we see that we need to flip the sign, and so x is less than -3.